Move just one black family into a decent white neighborhood, and the other homeowners will throw money at you faster than you can count it.
Negroes aren't stupid. Given a choice, even they don't want to live among other Negroes.
Nothing more American than people willingly paying double for something they can't afford in the first place.
And what happens once they realize they have been swindled?
Well, you could always ask Miss Koister if you could borrow a sanitary napkin.
If they make their mortgage payments, we win. If they default, we win.
Oh, you pray they miss their nut, and then you put those houses right back on the market.
At another market.
And by this time, it's an all-Negro neighborhood.
An entire population of Negroes who can't secure traditional mortgages.
Do you need an abacus?
Uncle, 6%.
Oh, there you go.
It's reasons like this why I do what I do. Empowering you is something that we need to do. You receiving financial information that is understood is how it helps you to get ahead. Get ahead of the competition so that way nobody take advantage of your lack of information. They say ignorance is bliss. It's almost like the opportunities that are missed. 40 acres and a mule. You don't understand that we're still being taken for a fool. It's not about me looking better than you. It's about us elevating so we all can grow. Life is what you make it. That is something that is so true. The only way we're going to make this happen is if we could start developing trust between me and you. You're not my competition, my brother and sister. You are my partner. Together, we could see this all through. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say to you. They say the eyes speak, the ears can hear. I hope you understand and see what I'm trying to say to you.